the 6-liter Powerstroke reliable? Are they really as bad as people say? They are absolutely reliable. I've had better luck out of 6-liter Powerstrokes than I've had of any other diesel truck on the market. I have a 97 7.3 sitting down there in the driveway. It's my pride and joy. I love that body style. One of the coolest trucks ever made. It's the truck that I learned how to drive when I was a kid. I was hauling hay with it in Montana at 11 years old. I was hauling cattle to the cattle barns. Beautiful trucks. I absolutely love them. I have one. It's left me stranded more than anything I've ever owned. Electrical issues, stupid stuff, fuel pump went out. It's old. It is what it is. I've never been left stranded in a 6-liter Powerstroke. I've had them shut down on me while driving. I've had them shut down on me at a stoplight. They've always started right back up. They've always got me home. They may not leave home again, but they've always got me home. And then I can get it to the shop however I need to and get whatever little issue fixed. But I've had zero major engine failures with a 6-liter Powerstroke. I've never even blown a head gasket on a 6-liter Powerstroke. I bought 6-liter Powerstrokes with blown head gaskets and then proceeded to put nitrous on them and a giant fast fuel system and a hot tune and drag race the hell out of them. I've done that. I just don't run any coolant in them. Don't recommend it, but it's what I've done. So they're 100% reliable. They have their issues, and 99% of their issues are caused by neglect, poor maintenance, and stupid people owning them, or ignorant people. There are ignorant people, but a lot of stupid people. You cannot run your oil changes out for 20,000 miles. I have seen that so many times. And then when I lecture the dude about it, he looks at me like I'm stupid. Like, you can't run oil in a high pressure oil system for 20,000 miles and not expect issues. I recommend changing that oil every 3,500 miles.